Right, we've come to Barlaston Downs just for a quick walk. We're testing the GoPro Hero 8 Blackout. I've used it a few times on some of my travels. I did have a lens protector on it, and the first day I used it I dropped it and scratched the lens protector, so I've had to take it off, so I'm being really careful. I actually brought the travel pack, which has got the mini tripod I'll show you on my phone in a bit, and spare battery and a head strap and stuff with it. It was better, it was like a deal at Christmas. So yeah, we're just testing it out, different things, and we've also brought a little Tello drone. We're going to go try and fly it down by the stream in a bit. Lots of cars here, very muddy. Be interested to see what the wind reduction's like on this, because it's quite breezy up here. We used the Hero 7 Black in the same place more or less 12 months ago. I think it might have been New Year we came for a walk, I'm not sure. So yeah, we're going to try the Tello down there, but yeah, it's all flooded and muddy. Going through the ford, it was like quite deep, so we'll film that on the way back home anyway. So we'll catch you when we get down to the stepping stones, if there's any stepping stones left.
Oh,
but
gosh.
Lily's got her wellies on. It in ages using the Tello FPV, so we'll see what the footage has come out like. I didn't want to bring the Mavic Air because it's a bit noisy and obtrusive, but yeah, we've got a slightly flooded stream from all the rain.
You can see the things. You can still
Just about see the things.
See the things.
The stepping stones.
Yeah, whatever they call it.
There is a bridge further along.
Yeah.
I think I'm going to go over the bridge, Lil.
Why is that grabbing me?
We do you in slow-mo coming over the water. Right, the stepping stones are too deep for my walking boots. I can go through, but I don't fancy having soaking wet feet. So we're going to walk around to the bridge, but Lily's just gone through and we've tested the 4x slow-mo out on the GoPro.
There's a hole in the tree.
Where's that? Show me the hole in the tree.
Has it gone?
This one's all rotten here.
It's all gone now.
This tree here is...
70 years old.
Well, this branch here, that's really rotten. That's about snap, that is. That's still alive, but... Oh, we've got holly here, look.
Yeah.
Holly and the ivy. Right, we're cheating, we're going over the bridge. And we've got the super duper GoPro Hero 8 stabilisation mega gadgetry, and it's really really muddy. Oh, really?
You feel like raggy. Whatever you mean. Oh my gosh, look at that.
It's a little bit muddy.
It's a little bit watery.
Would not like to go on my ass in this.
Oh, I will.
Now you can sit outside the car on the way back
There's the water.
on the roof down here
Yeah, can I walk in it?
if you want to.
Yes. Oh.
Because you've got your wellies on.
Yeah.
I think it'd go above your wellies.
I don't think it was.
Do you want to go try it?
Yeah.
Go on then. Too muddy there. A bit further on. Look at the foam there, Lil.
That's disgusting.
How would that happen unless there's something in the water to make it foam? Can anybody answer me? I've seen it on beaches and it's brown from the peaty water.
Maybe it's bubble bath.
But why would it foam up? I wouldn't have thought clean water would foam. Is that an environmental issue? So if anybody in the comments knows, please tell me. Because it is just like bubble bath soap. It's really flooded today. Looks lovely with it meandering through though. Beautiful day. That branch is broke off there. Look at that. Snapped off and lay down. At some point. It's a bit damp.
Oh, it won't matter.
Right, it's remarkably mild. It is. Is it the 12th today?
Yeah, I think. No, it's the 13th. Yeah, it's the 12th.
I think so. 12th, yeah, 12th of January 2020. Been for a walk. It's been very muddy. We've taken the Tello with us, and we're going to try film the car going through the ford because it's a little bit flooded today. Not massively for our car, but there was cars turning round and didn't dare go through. A bunch of wusses. But it's lovely. Bit of sunshine. It's been pretty mild. I'm not sure what the weather is, how warm it is.
Feel my face.
So I feel your face. It's cold.
It's freezing.
It is. According to my, it's 7 degrees. Feels warmer than that. Yeah, it's been a nice walk. So I hope you've enjoyed our walk. We're going to do a bit of a time walk going back to the car in a minute, and then film going through the ford. And yeah, a little bit of a record of our adventure. You had fun, Lil?
Yeah.
Good. Alright, see you in a bit. Lily's just seen these really cute donkeys. Hello.
Just got me put where's it?
Hello. What's the matter? Is that a llama or an alpaca?
It's a llama.
Is it a llama? Llama.
So they spit at you. Oh.
A bit skittish, sure, a bit skittish, aren't you? What's the matter?
Oh, someone's coming over because they want to be told, don't you?
Oh, you're too nice. Take your pic photo. Right, we're back at the car. We've had a nice muddy walk, haven't we, Lil?
Yes, very muddy.
We've filmed it all the way round, everything, on the GoPro Hero 8 Black. Use the time warp. It's supposed to have like an intuitive time warp setting, but to be honest with you, I haven't figured that out yet. But we filmed this all on one battery, and I have 35% left at the moment, which is really good for a GoPro, so I'm dead impressed. There's lots and lots of cars here, as you can see. Just pan it round. We've come to the Downs, Barlaston Downs. You've seen us here quite a few times in the past, but it's a lovely day. And lots of cars, lots of people, lots of muddy dogs. I was going to be going out this weekend and trying out my new hot tent with stove, but should begin the moor next week to try that out. Don't think I'm going to carry it all up the moor in one go, because it's like quite a hefty package. So big reviews coming up hopefully next weekend. Let's pray for snow. And as always, until we see you next time, say ciao.
Bye, guys.
And as always, stay safe, and we'll see you soon. Thanks very much for watching.
Bye.
Cheers, bye. Won't shake when it comes out because it's got stabilisation on. It's on the like ours.
Oh, it's just gone up.
It's alright. Jogger through.